Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about ninth science unit tissues and topic cell division. What is cell? Cells are the basic units of all living things. Cells make up bones, muscles, skin and blood. And cells make up leaves, roots, stems and flowers. As the organism grows, the cells must reproduce. What is the cell? Cells are the structural and functional units of all living organisms. Unicellular living organism or multicellular living organism are unicellular cells and multicellular cells. Functions of cell. Nutrients to energy. Each cell having its own set of instruction. First one, eukaryotic cell division. Eukaryotic cell division is a very important one. Eukaryotes must divide their nucleus and other organelles such as mitochondria in preparation for cell division, mitosis or meiosis. Before the nucleus divides, the genetic material replicates or duplicates. Prokaryotic cell division. Prokaryotes have no nucleus. They have single circular chromosome. Prokaryotes simply divide the cells into by binary fission. Some of important definitions. Spindle fiber. First one, spindle fiber. One of a network of filaments that extend inward from the poles of a dividing cells, forming a spindle-shaped figure. Centromere, the most condensed and constructed region of a chromosome to which the spindle fiber is attached during mitosis. Next one, chromatin. A complex of nucleic acids and proteins, primarily histones, in the cell nucleus that stinds rarely with basic dyes and condenses to form chromosomes during cell division. Next one, chromatid. Either of the two daughter strands of replicated chromosome that are joined by a single centromere and separate during cell division to become individual chromosomes. Definition. Chromosome. Thread-like gain carrying bodies in the nucleus of a cell. Chromosomes are composed primarily of DNA and protein. They are visible only under magnification during certain stage of cell division. Humans have 46 chromosomes in each somatic cell, and 23 in each sex cell. An equatorial plane. The plane that contains all of the centromeres and the spindle attachments during metaphase of mitosis. And kinetochore fibers, specialized regions in the centromeres of chromosomes. Next one, cell cycle. The cell cycle is the event that makes new cells by cell division. Through this process, there are interphase, mitosis prophase, and mitosis metaphase, and mitosis anaphase, and mitosis telophase, and cytokinesis. First one, interphase. During interphase, cell replicates its nuclear DNA, ensuring that when does it divide at the end of mitotic phase. Each of the newly created daughter cells will contain a full set of gen. And mitosis. Mitosis is the mechanism that allows the nuclei of cells to split and provide each daughter cell with a complete set of chromosomes during cellular divisions. This, coupled with the cytokinesis, occurs in all multicellular plants and animals to permit growth of the organism. And prophase. During this first mitotic stage, the nucleus fats and chromatin condense into chromosomes. Each replicated chromosome comprises two chromatids, both with the same genetic information. And metaphase. Next, the nuclear envelope breaks down and a large protein network called the spindle attaches to each sister chromatid. The chromosomes are now aligned perpendicular to the spindle in a process called metaphase. And anabase. Anabase begins as the centromeres of each pair of chromatids split, effectively doubling the number of chromosomes. Once separated, sister chromatids each now one independent chromosome with its own centromere begin moving about towards opposite poles of the cell. The movement is made possible via two mechanisms. The kinetochore fibers attached to each centromere begin to shorten, pulling the chromosomes towards the poles. At the same time, the polar microtubules from opposite ends of the cell from cross bridges in the equatorial plane, boosting the poles about by becoming larger. Telophase. In telophase, the daughter chromosomes arrive at the spindle poles. After complete separation of the chromosome, the nuclear membranes begins to reform around each group of chromosomes at the opposite ends of the cell. When telophase is complete and the new cell membranes is being formed, the final steps in telophase involve the initiation of plasma membranes cleavage between each of the new daughter cells to ultimately yield to separate cells during cytokinesis, the next phase of cell division. And cytokinesis, the final stage in the process of cell division, is known as cytokinesis, which usually begins during late anabase or early telophase, as the nuclear envelope is reforming and chromosomes are decondensing. During this stage, the cytoplasm is divided. The very important question, difference between mitosis and meiosis. What is the mitosis? Occurs in somatic cells. Meiosis occurs in reproductive cells, involved in growth and occurs continuously throughout life. Involved in gametic formation only during the reproductively active age. Meiosis. Mitosis consists of single division, consists of two division. Two dipole daughter cells are formed. Four haploid daughter cells are formed. The chromosomes number in the daughter cell is similar to the parent cell. The chromosome number in daughter cell is just half of the parent cell. Identical daughter cells are formed. Daughter cells are not similar to the parent cell and are randomly assorted. Students, watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can understand the concept well. Today homework question in science, 3 questions, difference between mitosis and meiosis and mitosis, and define cell division, and write types of cell division. Third question, difference between mitosis and meiosis. Okay, meiosis. Here I give 3 questions for you, so you have think and answer this question, and write this question and answer 3 times in your homework note, and also write test in your test note. Take a photocopy, send to my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you, students. God bless you.